Here's a little project you could make out of some scrap wood, some sanding blocks, very easy to make. For the bottom of the sanding block, I want to cut a 1x3, 4.5 inches long. I'll cut another 1x3, 4.5 inches long. I want to make a couple of these. Next I'll cut a couple of 2x3s, 4.5 inches long. The 1x3s are already the correct width, which is 2.5 inches. So we don't need to cut those yet. The 2-inch by 3s, I want to cut those down to 1 7/8 of an inch. The next thing I do is put a cove cut in the side of the thicker pieces of the 2x stock. Next thing I'll do is I'll take the 1x3 stock, which is actually 2.5 inches wide, and I want to cut a 2-inch wide dado 3/16 deep. Now we want the top to have just a little bit of slop there in that dado. Next I take the bottom, the 1x2 stock, and I want to drill a 1/2 inch hole 3/16 deep. In the top block, I'll drill 1.25 inch hole 5/8 deep. Now back to the bottom piece, I'll drill a 1/4 inch hole through. Now back to the top block, I'll drill a 17/64 hole the rest of the way through. Next thing we'll do is we'll assemble the two pieces with a 1/4 inch bolt, 1.5 inch long, through the bottom. I put a washer and a wing nut on the top. Now chances are when you tighten it, the bolt won't turn, but just to be on the safe side, we'll drop a little glue in there. Just regular glue, wood glue. Now for the sandpaper. Put the sandpaper on the bottom, fold up the edges. Over the top. Put the block on. Washer. Put the nut on. Now you'll notice when I screw down the nut, it's going to pull the sandpaper in. Makes it nice and taut. And that's it. Thank you. I hope you like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.